In the culture tracking process, we start our story with a cart full of cultures that have been delivered to the ID station where Petri dishes receive their tracking tags. Above the ID station is an antenna to identify the operator giving these cultures an ID. The operator is provided with a PC running the Identity Station application with an RFID printer and scanning pad. The operator starts by entering the manufacturer ID. By default, the application remembers the last value, so the operator presses the Submit button, selects a Petri dish from the cart, and performs any needed tasks on the culture. While they are doing this, the system is encoding and printing the culture ID tag. The culture, which is on the scanning pad, now receives its printed RFID tag. The system scans the tag and validates the process is complete, and the operator moves the culture to an awaiting tray and repeats the process with the next culture. Once a tray is filled, an operator places the tray into the sterilization equipment, where another antenna detects the presence of the cultures as well as the operator logging that activity along with the time and date. In the application you're seeing here, we are tracking the progress of a single culture, and you'll see how the status changes over time. Our cultures are now ready for transport to the EML. They are loaded onto a cart and placed on a truck. Again, an antenna records this activity and logs the cultures and operator as they pass through this area and give them a departure time-date stamp. Upon arrival at the EML, the cultures are taken off the truck and another antenna logs the arrival activity. The rack is taken to an incubation prep area, where an antenna logs the presence of the cultures and the operator, giving this activity a time-date stamp. The cultures are transferred to an incubation tray and placed into incubation, where again we have an antenna logging the activity. Once incubation is complete, the rack is taken to a plate testing station, where an operator performs their test. In this case, the operator found a positive result and places a culture on the green scanning pad. When the scanning pad detects the presence of a culture, it logs this activity in its record. The cultures are now placed into their matching red or green carts for disposal or next steps, and the activity is logged as the cart leaves the plate testing area. The result is an end-to-end activity log for each culture going through the process, tracking who handles the culture, doing what task at what point in time, and what the end result of the test was. A simple, accurate, and exceptional Zebra experience.